Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined, update it or provide a new payment method and try again. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings, and guys make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys after doing this you have to check your debit or credit card expiry date. So guys, if your credit card has been expired, simply you have to change your debit or credit card and change your payment method from your Apple ID. So guys, when you have click on this payment method, simply you have to click on this one, and guys you will be able to change your new payment method. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is network problem, simply you have to click on general, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and guys you need to reset your network settings. And after doing this you have to go back, check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and guys after doing this you have to go back. So guys, you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then you need to contact with your financial institute. So guys, maybe international transaction is turned off on your debit or credit card. So guys, when you have contact with your bank, then guys they will turn on your international transaction or online transaction. So guys, if you have any bank app that you are using, you can turn it on from your app easily, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, simply you have to click on your Apple Sport app, and after this select your gadget here, and here is the option of subscriptions and purchases, and here is the option of update payment method. Simply you have to click on this tab, and after this you need to wait for some seconds, and guys click on call, and guys you need to call at this number. If not responding, click on another number, and guys you need to call them and tell them your problem that you are facing again and again, and guys they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.